So it is really getting cold where I live. We are entering the months of January and February, and my chickens really don't have a good source of protein right now. So I thought I would make them a little snack of protein so that it will kind of fill in for the absent bugs that are not present during the winter months. So I have a lot of dried herbs hanging around. For instance, here are some fennel seeds that are really not good for cooking. They're a little bit over mature. I read that they have a good amount of calcium in them, at least for a little tiny seed. So I thought I would put some of these in this little snack I'm making for them. I put about 1/4 cup, and then I had some dried oregano, which I had not yet put up for storage. I have plenty in storage, and dried oregano is wonderful for chickens. There has been a very good study on that, and I covered it in my How to Grow Oregano video. If you missed that, it is a must-see because it's so easy to grow and it's so good for your chickens. So I'll make sure to leave a link for you to that video. And then I'm going to put some peanuts in here as well, which is high in protein, but it is really high in fat, so I don't want to put too much. I'll leave the measurements, which I am using, below the video if you want to check them out. I'm also using some sunflower seeds. Now, both of these peanuts and sunflowers are unsalted and roasted. Make sure you're using roasted peanuts. You don't want to give your chickens raw peanuts. And then I just picked up some steel cut oats at the grocery store. These were organic, and I'm using 1 cup of those, a really nice source of protein as well. And then finally, some mealworms, and these you can pick up at like Tractor Supply, but you can also order these online, and I found a lot of these ingredients online at Amazon. So I mixed all of this together and I put it in an airtight container. And so I'll just end the video by showing you how they reacted when I fed it to them for the first time in this little orange disc. They were real skeptical of it, very curious. And then a few weeks later, they just love to see that orange disc coming. They just tear it up and absolutely love it. So I hope this helps you make your own little high protein chicken snack for the winter months. And thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a beautiful day.